Next up, so we're going to go to list of expenses. So now what we can do is we can take all of these base costs and we can actually paste it into here. Oops, I actually don't need that column. And then same thing over here with all our monthlies. Makes it nice and easy to copy or paste it in here. And now, oh, forgot about formatting. Let's go back. I want this column, since these are all dollars, we're going to just change it to dollars. Same thing here. We want these columns to be currency, so we're going to change that. So now it displays as currency. And there we go. So our next step is to use the equals sum formula. So I'm going to say equals sum. And it now prompts me for what range do we want to sum this up. Well, we're going to start with column B, row 6, so B6, and we're going to go to the bottom of column B. And there we go. We can see that that's $19,800. Let's go ahead and copy that, and we can paste that formula over here, and it'll automatically adjust for the new location. Now, what's really nice about this is it might just so happen that I've come back later and go, oh, that's right, there's a few more things that I needed to add to my list. So if I come over here and I start adding a few more things onto my list, for example, maybe I recognize, oh, I'm going to have a security deposit. I'm going to need some supplies. I'm going to need tables. Oh, how can you have a restaurant without tables and chairs, etc. Utilities and wages. Let's go ahead and add those costs. So starting with security deposit, we'll say that's $6,000. Notice how now it displays as in dollars rather than as a number. $400 of miscellaneous supplies. $4,000 for tables and chairs. Utilities, probably about $1,200 a month. And then wages, got to pay my workers. That's going to be a very big expense. Let's go over here. Security deposit, that's going to be a base. Supplies, that's going to be monthly, like napkins, cleaning supplies, etc. This is going to be a base cost, and then monthly and monthly. So we can go ahead and sort this again. We'll go data, sort range, column C, sort, and now what I can do is I can copy this information, paste it over here, and notice how this formula automatically updated the total cost. And then I can do the same thing for my monthly costs. Let's just replace the whole thing, and notice how the cost updates automatically. So now that I look at it, it's formatted, looks the way I want it, got it displaying in dollars. We can go ahead and delete this row and move on to the next task.